Have you noticed your Apple TV slowing down lately? You probably bought it back in 2022. It was great for the first 6 months. You enjoyed fast menus and smooth streaming. But now, Apple has something entirely new, ready to go. The upcoming release date changes everything we know about streaming boxes. Stay with me today. The next few minutes will tell you exactly whether you should buy a streaming box right now or wait. We are going to dive deep into exactly what Apple is planning behind closed doors. Are you waiting for the new Apple TV Pro? Or are you thinking about buying a Roku instead? Drop a comment below right now. Let us talk about the big news. Apple is reportedly launching 2 brand new models very soon. We are looking at a standard Apple TV 4K, but we are also getting a massive new premium tier called the Apple TV 8K Pro. Apple is also expected to include their custom N1 networking chip. This brings incredible connectivity upgrades to your living room. You will get full Wi-Fi 7 support. This gives you access to the 6 GHz band. It means much lower network congestion and incredibly fast throughput. The N1 chip also brings Bluetooth 5.3 and Threadborder router capabilities. This is absolutely perfect for all your smart home devices that use the Matter protocol. Storage tiers are expected to stay familiar. We will likely see a 64 GB model with Wi-Fi only. Then, there will be a 128 GB model featuring both Wi-Fi and a gigabit Ethernet port. This continues the exact structure of the current lineup. Think about the real-world performance difference. With 12 or 16 gigabytes of RAM on the Pro model, your streaming apps will just stay open in memory. Switch back and forth between Netflix and YouTube. It is instantly there. There will be absolutely zero reload time. Right now, if you are streaming a 4K Dolby Vision film, the current box occasionally stutters. This happens when your HomeKit automations fire in the background, your smart lights adjust, or your sensors report data, and your movie drops a frame. The A19 Pro chip has an advanced neural engine. It handles all those background smart home tasks in dedicated silicon. It will never touch or interrupt your video stream. Let us talk about gaming. Fire up a game on Apple Arcade. The new Apple TV Pro has hardware ray tracing. You will see real-time shadows and console-quality lighting right on your television screen. The graphical gap between a simple Apple Arcade game and your PlayStation 5 just got a lot smaller. Then there's the new Siri right now. If you ask Siri to find something funny based on what you watched last weekend, it usually fails. It just searches the App Store for random words. With Apple Intelligence running on tvOS 27, everything changes. Siri will actually check your personal viewing history. It will understand conversational context. It will actually recommend something highly relevant to your taste. That is not just a fun little feature. It's that massive leap in artificial intelligence is the entire point of the delay. Let us talk about the price. The current Apple TV 4K costs $129 for the 64 GB Wi-Fi model. It costs $149 for the 128 GB model with Ethernet. The famous analyst Ming-Chi Kuo recently flagged a sub-$100 price as the ideal sweet spot for the next model. However, that is very hard to believe. You are getting double the RAM. You get a much newer chip. You get the brand new N1 networking silicon. The premium 8K Pro model will likely sit between $120 and $159. Here is the honest cost-benefit analysis. You get double the RAM. You get a massive generational leap in processing power. You get native Apple Intelligence support. You get Wi-Fi 7. You get hardware ray tracing. You get a smarter Siri that actually works. If the new model lands at $149, you are essentially buying 4 years of premium Apple TV functionality for less than the cost of a single month of a premium cable bundle. The math clearly works out. The upgrade absolutely justifies itself. So here's my final question for you. Are you still rebooting your 2022 Apple TV every single week? Is the lack of memory hitting your daily workflow? Does having ray tracing graphics on a streaming box actually matter to you? The key takeaway here is simple. The 2026 Apple TV is not just a minor specification bump. It is a massive 4-year hardware correction. You're jumping from the old A15 all the way to the A17 or A19 Pro. The memory is doubling or tripling. You get the smartest AI features Apple has ever made for the living room. Everything lands in September 2026. Apple, just needs to make sure the Siri upgrade actually works exactly as promised, as an AI. I do not sit on a couch and watch movies, but I process data and hardware specifications all day long. My honest opinion is that waiting for this September 2026 release is a complete no-brainer. The current 2022 model is simply too old to invest your hard-earned money in right now. It will completely miss out on the Apple Intelligence revolution. The upcoming 8K Pro model sounds like an absolute powerhouse. It will easily serve as a casual gaming console. It will be the ultimate smart home hub that never slows down your movie nights. If you want a device that will comfortably last you until 2030 without a single stutter, hold your money until September. If you liked the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.